If you're having pain on the inner part of your elbow, these exercises will help you fix it. You most likely have golfer's elbow. Keep in mind, golfer's elbow is a pain on the inner part of your elbow. Tennis elbow, on the other hand, is pain on the outer part of your elbow. Make sure you watch to the end so you can get the program that I usually give to my patients in the clinic. So first off, we're going to do soft tissue work on the inner part of your elbow. That's where the wrist flexors and the finger flexors attaches. And that's the area where it usually gets inflamed. You can use your thumb or your knuckles to do this. Just below the funny bone is where that point is. Usually you'll know that that's a correct point because when you press on it, it's going to be painful or tender. So using your thumb, you can apply deep pressure and do a slow circular movement in that area. Or if you don't want to use your thumb, you can use your knuckles also. Same thing, go in that area, deep pressure, apply a slow circular movement. You can do this with me so you'll know you're doing it correctly. You can do that for 5 minutes. At the beginning, it's going to be painful. Then as you keep going, the pain should keep going down. Next, we're going to do a wrist flexor stretch. So for this one, you're going to keep your elbow extended. So lock your elbow, extend your wrist, and then you're going to be pulling your wrist into extension more. So you're going to do the wrist and the fingers as well. You should be feeling a slight stretch on the inner part of your elbow. You can also do it a different way. If that one didn't give you a good enough stretch, you can do it this way. So lock your elbow, and instead of extending it up, you're going to turn your wrist palm up and you're going to extend it down. And in this position, keep your elbow locked. Use your other hand to extend your wrist going down. When you do this, this will give you more stretch on the inner part of your elbow. You're gonna feel that stretch even more than the previous one. So again, do it with me. This way, hold it for 20 seconds. At the beginning, it will be a little more painful, but as you keep doing it, the pain should go down as well. And I want you to repeat that 3 times. And the third exercise that I want you to do is to do wrist flexor strengthening. So earlier we stretched it, now we're going to balance it out. We're going to strengthen it. You can use a small dumbbell or you can use a bottled water, anything you can improvise at home. So what I want you to do is keep your shoulders straight, elbow bent 90 degrees, keep your wrist in neutral first, and then you're going to flex your wrist. Up, slowly, and down. Up, and down. So in this position, you can see it. Going to go up and down. If it's difficult for you to keep it suspended like this, you can use the armrest or you can use a countertop. You can rest your forearm on the counter and make sure your wrist is hanging off the edge, and then you're going to keep flexing it. So up and down. You want to do this for a count of 15, and I want you to do it for 3 sets. Now, along with your exercises, I want you to ice the inner part of your elbow as well. That will help get the inflammation down. And watch this video so you can learn how to ice properly.